I can just tell you right now, I love these way better than the Bose frames any day. Wow, fits me way better, and that's crazy important to me. So let's go ahead and get this charged up. The Soundcore frames are a welcome addition to the barren wasteland of wearable technology that just isn't stylish enough for anyone to actually want to wear it. The best comparison I have is the Bose frames. The wonder and excitement of the Bose frames quickly wore off. You see, in order to take advantage of these audio sunglasses, I had to sacrifice style, and that was just not something I was willing to do. So I used them a handful of times, and they ended up in the graveyard. That has not been my experience with the Soundcore frames. Not only did they deliver a solid, stylish pair of sunglasses, Soundcore added an Openness surround audio system that delivers a surround-like concert experience when turned on. And when you flip it on from 1 to 7, you can really tell the difference. But the sound is not the only thing to write home about. The Soundcore frames are more than a piece of technology. They're a concept that you wear, that you enjoy, that you listen to, or maybe even make your own. The starter kit costs $199 and comes with one pair of lenses, but the additional lenses only cost $49.99 compared to the Bose frames, which start at $249 and only have one option for the lenses. So for the cost of the Bose, you can get a starter kit and you can get an additional frame of your choice. Not sure which frame to use? No problem. In the Soundcore app, you can try all the frames in AR on your smartphone and even on their website. After browsing all of these options, I think I dig the cafe frames best of all. I need to get my prescriptions in there and I will have a daily winning combination. This brings me straight to what are these really good for? Well, if you're driving in the car, you can use them as sunglasses, duh. You can use them as Bluetooth audio devices to talk to people. You see, back in the day, we only used Bluetooth devices to talk to people. Then slowly we started to incorporate listening to music on the same devices. Back then, the focus was, can you hear me? Hey, you okay? Yeah, testing. And we had separate headphones that we listened to music on. But the technological tide has shifted. Now we want to talk to people on the same devices we listen to our music on. So all the progress that we made back in the day has been completely forgotten, and now everyone is just trying to make a new device that covers all bases. That is exactly what Soundcore has accomplished here. They made a device that you want to wear, that sounds good, and when you talk to people, they can actually hear you. Then they took it a step further and they added touch control on both sides of the frames. But it doesn't stop there. You can customize the gestures so they're all personal to you. Nothing I hate more than thinking I'm turning the volume up and I'm really hanging up on the person I'm talking to. Now, it's been a few days since I've opened these up and I've used them all sorts of ways. I've sat at my desk during the day and I've listened to a podcast. It sounded okay, but then when I changed the settings under equalizer from Soundcore Signature to podcast, it really sounded great. But listening to a podcast while at work in an office wearing sunglasses. This might not be the intended use, but it works. Driving in the car. If you don't have Bluetooth in your car, then this is going to be a game changer. You can talk to people while you're driving and wearing your sunglasses at the same time. But if you have a newer car, then you're probably going to use the built-in Bluetooth and all you really have is a pair of sunglasses. Unless you are in the car with other people and you don't want your conversation broadcasted to everyone. I used them while I was in the grocery store, sitting outside waiting for a friend. Basically, you can use these anywhere there's sun. Or if you're like me, you might have your eyes set on the cafe frames. That way I can get my prescriptions in there. For only $49, it's definitely worth it to add the additional functionality to my Soundcore frame. So why buy the Soundcore frames over the Bose frames? Style, cost, variety, customization, open surround audio, 10 different interchangeable lenses with quick release, Tour, Wanderer, Landmark Black, Landmark Clear, Landmark Tortoise, Harbor Festival, Marina, Ramadan, Cafe, And let's not forget, it has built-in voice control, local touch control, wearing detection, IPX4 water resistant. I wore them in the pool and I wasn't even worried about a little splash. This and the battery can get you 5.5 hours of playback time on a single charge. Charge it for 10 more minutes and you get another 1.5 hours to keep you going. I want to leave you with this. Soundcore didn't reach out to me and ask me if I want to review these. I reached out to Soundcore and asked them if I could unbox and provide a real honest review. I feel like this is a product that's new, cool, funky, a little different, and something I can stand behind. The Soundcore frames have so many different ways that can be useful and actually enhance the quality of your mobile experience. Whatever that experience is, I am confident that these little frames are going to add some flavor to your day. Spice it up a little bit. You can jump on the links below, buy one for yourself or as a gift for the upcoming holiday. I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts and opinions on these. Jump down to the comment below, let's start a conversation and talk. Thanks for watching the video. Till next time, namaste.